It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 23rd of January. I'm James Spann. We're still in the deep freeze, but slowly but surely will warm up over the next 7 days. And by the middle of next week, some of you could see low 60s. And it looks like some rain could return before the weekend is over. So here we go. The upper air look across the country this morning. Again, the broad trough still in place over the eastern half of the United States, but it's very quiet in terms of any precipitation. Just not much happening this morning. But indeed, it's cold. 12 for Aniana, 16 for Cullman and Jasper, 15 for Winfield and Gadsden. Birmingham sitting at 22. We've got 20 for Huntsville. Even a good freeze all the way down to the Gulf Coast where snow is still on the ground. Mobile sitting at 24. There's the watch warning map. Things are very quiet today. Not a single thunderstorm expected across the country today. Same thing tomorrow. However, on day 3, which is Saturday, there could be some thunder in places like Houston, Texas, up to Lufkin, Texas, with the feature that could bring some rain to Alabama by Sunday night, maybe Monday. It looks like it will not be a major rain event. But there will likely be other rain opportunities toward the middle of next week. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday morning of next week, suggesting rain amounts about 1/2 inch for the northern half of the state, then a 1/4 inch or less for South Alabama, hardly any rain for the southeastern counties of the state. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 06C run, valid today at 3 o'clock. There's your broad trough. And again, we're dry. The sky will be sunny today. Highs in the 40s this afternoon. How about that? We'll take that. Tomorrow, again, we start today well below freezing. We'll be in the 20s. The high will be in the 40s. The sky partly to mostly sunny. Saturday, we're still dry. Saturday morning, lows again, well down in the 20s, maybe some teens for the colder pockets. But the high Saturday will be near 50 for the northern counties of Alabama. Low and mid-50s for the southern counties of the state. And that should take out the rest of the snow that's on the ground. And then Sunday, clouds will increase, and a little feature could bring some rain in here late Sunday or Sunday night. It's beginning to look like a decent part of the day Sunday will be dry. And again, the high Sunday, upper 40s and low 50s. And Monday, moisture really limited, but there might be a shower in spots. The high Monday around 50 in most spots. Now, Tuesday looks like clouds will stay with us for much of next week. And again, looks like there could be a stalled surface boundary nearby. Tuesday may be a shower for West Alabama. The high will be well up in the 50s. And then the latest run here, the GFS bringing a good batch of rain in here on Wednesday. And I will say the global models have been all over the road next week. So the confidence is not especially high in the day-to-day placement of rain, but it looks like the week could be somewhat unsettled. But the weather should be nice and mild by Wednesday with that chance of rain. The high will be close to 60. And a week from today, this is Thursday, the 30th of January, got a pretty good trough coming into Texas. And again, evidence will have a pretty good chance of rain, especially for the southern half of the state. And again, it looks like a surface boundary will just want to stall out somewhere around here. So let's keep going. This is out 10 days, Saturday, the 1st of February. Again, that trough is still hanging back over Texas, and we're still wet. Now, this is suggesting there could be some ice on Saturday, the 1st of February for the mountains of North Carolina and maybe East Tennessee, but not here. Just good old-fashioned rain. Rain for Birmingham over the next 15 days. This is valid through the 6th of February. About 2 inches, that's the mean. Some of the members are more aggressive. We'll check temperatures, and again, you can see the gradual progression as we dig out of the deep freeze here. But still, mornings will be very cold through Saturday. Lows down in the low 20s. But highs up there close to 50 by Saturday. And look at next week, low 60s by Wednesday and Thursday. And we're still sitting around 60 around Sunday, the 2nd of February. And the latest long-range guidance, this is for January 30th through February the 5th. And nice to see a little orange on that map instead of deep blue. That means temperatures will likely be above average. And I know There's all the, Facebook pages are saying we're going to have a major ice and snowstorm in early February. There's absolutely no sign of that in pattern changes. Those guys they forecast snow every 2 weeks all winter long. But again, for now, the pattern looks relatively comfortable as we go into early February. Could there be any more snow or ice? Sure. I mean, remember, our biggest snows have occurred during what month for much of the Deep South? March. That was when the blizzard of 93 happened. So there's a lot of winter to go, but we're just saying as we get into early February, things look relatively comfortable for now. Still amazed at all of these images from the Gulf Coast snowstorm a couple of days ago. It's just almost surreal. Now, let me tell you what. In Alabama, we can build a pretty good snowman here. And, for a long time, I thought that's probably the tallest snowman that I've seen in the set. But no, that's the tallest snowman. Are you kidding me? I mean, how do you make that thing? With a crane or what? Goodness gracious. Some of the snowmen on the beach were just absolutely amazing. I mean, they took snow that was on top of the sand and made a snowman on the beach. How about an igloo in South Alabama? That you don't see in Mobile or Baldwin counties that often. And, I think the dogs seem to like it. I'm not so sure about the cats, but that dog is giving us a nice smiley pose there. College kids absolutely loved it. Most of the younger kids absolutely loved it. But not all of them. I'm just saying, some of the younger ones were not especially big fans. By the way, we had a traffic incident here on an icy road down in South Alabama. Thankfully, that motorist was back on the highway soon. Check this out. So you got the chairs out there by the pool on the Gulf Coast. You don't see that often. And I think this kind of sums it up. This was taken over in the Panhandle. Yeah, they're cold. And you know how to get your picture on here. It's the span shout-outs. This was SRB would be Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. How about a span shout-out from Virginia Beach, Virginia? They had snow up there, up on the northern end of this system. And for the kids that didn't have snow, a lot of them pulled the old frozen noodle trick. Yeah, that's pretty easy to do when it's down in the single digits. But again, what a couple of days we've had. So today, going to go down to Millbrook Middle School, Millbrook Middle, Elmore County this morning, and then Shelby County this afternoon for Pelham Ridge Elementary School. Then tomorrow, going to be at Weaver Elementary School in Calhoun County. And Saturday, I will be down in Covington County in South Alabama in the snow zone at Andalusia, where they were buried in snow. I think by Saturday, most of it will be melted, but in the shady spots, I know there'll be some left. I'll be speaking at Southside Baptist Church for a big event there Saturday evening, so looking forward to that. Of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.